Well, hello, good morning. I hope you're all doing well. I am channeling my Nona in my new heavy framed glasses today because I'm going to be cutting these jeans, the hem. Excuse the lovely sock. These are a pair of just straight leg Levi's. You've probably seen them in a couple of videos. I'm going to pop a photo or maybe just an insert showing you what the pant looks like. I've decided to cut these. They are long, so I don't know why I persist in cuffing these, so much so that sometimes I feel a little bit like a pirate. I know that that can be kind of a cool look, like Victoria Beckham does this really well, but I am not Victoria Beckham. And I think I'm ready to cut these jeans. So I thought I would take you along with me. And also I'm gonna style them a couple of different ways so that, you know, if you have any raw hem denim or even pants that perhaps fall a little bit shorter and are a straight leg, maybe it'll give you some ideas as to how to style them. But gosh, I did this when I was like in my 20s. I would cuff my pants and I would wear like these old super tight boots underneath them. I just love that look. I think it's so cool. So I just want to make sure I get more wear out of them. Before getting started, I just tried on my cuffed pants with 2 different heel heights to make sure that I would be okay at that length. Then I measured it from the ankle. You can also measure from the crotch, which would be a little bit more accurate in my opinion, but a good rule of thumb is that the most flattering hem height on a pant is about 1 to 2 inches above the ankle. I think the pinning was completely unnecessary. I could have just measured it and gone from there. I think I wanted to feel more like I knew what I was doing. I'm using a pin here, but the smarter thing to do would be to take a ruler and use a piece of chalk to cut a straight line across. Oh god, am I doing the right thing? Oh god, goodbye jeans. Oh, that is not straight. To get a frayed hem that isn't completely obnoxious, I just cut little diagonal cuts into the bottom of the hem and then rubbed it together to really bring out some of the fibers. You can also attack the hem of your jeans with a pair of tweezers, and that'll do the job as well. Rather than be precise, I just flipped the other pant over and cut along the same line, but you might want to do the whole measuring thing again, just to be sure. So here they are. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. However, in hindsight, I think I should have left a little bit more length on the hem so that I still have the option of cuffing them if I want. This length is also relatively tricky to pull off, which is why I'm choosing my shoes and the hem lengths of my jackets really carefully. I think understanding proportions is really one of the key pieces when you're looking at cuffing or hemming your pants at all, and this is something that I go over in my Shop Your Closet studio, which is going to be happening this Saturday on November 14th at 1 p.m. And if you want more information or if you haven't bought your ticket yet, I'll leave all the details up in the cards for you and in the description box below. is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll get to see some of you in the studio on the 14th. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or if you learned something new. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be back with another slow fashion video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!